Join me, let's learn some mechatronic tools and their functions. Adjustable wrench. A wrench that can adjust to different bolt sizes. Screwdriver. Used to tighten or loosen screws. Phillips screwdriver. Used for crosshead screws. Flathead screwdriver. Used for straight slot screws. Pliers. Used to grip, bend, or cut wires. Needle nose pliers. Used in tight spaces to grip small parts. Wire cutter. Used to cut wires. Spanner. Used for fixed-size nuts and bolts. Allen key or hex key. Used for hex socket screws. Hammer. Used to hit or shape metal parts. Multimeter. Measures voltage, current, and resistance. Clamp meter. Measures current without cutting the wire. Soldering iron. Used to join electronic components. Desoldering pump. Removes solder. Wire stripper. Removes insulation from wires. Test pen. Checks if electricity is present. Breadboard. Used to build circuits without soldering. Power supply. Provides electrical power to circuits. Oscilloscope. Displays electrical signals in waveforms. Function generator. Generates test signals. Microcontroller board. Controls automation systems. Drill machine. Used to make holes. Vernier caliper. Measures precise dimensions. Micrometer. Measures very small thickness precisely. File. To smooth rough edges. Computer. Used for programming and simulation. Programmable logic controller. Controls industrial machines. Human-machine interface. Allows users to control machines. Safety goggles. Protects eyes from particles. Gloves. Protects hands from injury. Helmet. Used to protect the head.